can we use a standby now to offload the work from the source database? Let's assume a situation where your source system has to remain completely untouched. The server can't get any additional load. We had such situations in the past quite often, where the server is so maxed out that you don't want to start anything on it. It will just cause trouble. So in this case, we use now a standby. So the standby is the initial offloading, and then from the standby, we create a final one. So we cascade. This is the idea. Also, when you target must become a data guard at this point, so you need a data guard for that, you can build up the future standby database already in advance and connect to it also via cascading standby. So let me show you how that works. We have the production load on the source database, the yellow one, and we have set up already our migration vehicle, the physical standby database, the green one here. But for this physical standby database, we want a standby in place. So the radio applies on, and with that, we create now the future standby. Because the dark greenish one will become my production system, and I want the standby for that already in place. So I create a future standby, I create radio apply, and this is a cascading standby. Now I will do what I did before. I stop the application, I do the final changes, I activate my standby, I optionally upgrade it if it's not upgraded already, but in this case here, we upgrade to 19C, and then I can start the production load. And at this point, when the production load is started, the standby is already in place. And just to emphasize here, this, in most cases, when we get involved in projects, is a key requirement. The standby for the future production environment has to be in place, because if that is not in place, we can't start the application. It needs to be there. Disaster recovery is so important here.